Annyeonghaseyo, K-Flash fam. Ever binge-watched your favorite K-drama, seen beautiful Korean characters on screen, and wondered, is that Hangul, or is that Korean? It's the burning question nobody explains for beginners, and today, we're finally clearing up this confusion that'll level up your language journey. Get ready to unlock the secret to understanding Korean, just like your favorite idols communicate with ARMY and viewers. Let's kick things off with the absolute essentials, phrases you'll hear and use literally every single day in Korea, whether you're greeting a new friend or ordering street food. This is your foundation. Hello/how are you? General formal greeting to anyone you don't know well, or anyone older/in a position of authority. Use in shops, restaurants, meeting new people, or in any formal setting.
안녕하세요.
Now you try. Formal.
안녕하세요.
Casual.
안녕, 언녕. 안녕하세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 네, 안녕하세요. 잘 지내셨어요? 잘 지냈어요시오요.
Watch your pronunciation, the ha sound. It's not a hard H like in hat. It's a soft, almost whispered H sound, like a gentle sigh or breath before a. Don't overaspirate it. They would reply.
네, 안녕하세요.
In K-drama, reply 1988's 1E1 at 0:05, the neighborhood kids greet each other as they walk to school. Thank you. Formal way to express gratitude to anyone you don't know well, elders, or people in service roles, cashiers, waiters. Use when receiving something or being helped.
감사합니다.
Now you try. Formal.
감사합니다.
Casual.
고마워요, 고마워요. 오르 고마워, 고마워. 감사합니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
감사합니다. 천만에요. 네, 안녕히 계세요. 애니, 언녕의 지와이세요.
Watch your pronunciation, the B/P, in. It often sounds more like a soft P at the end of a syllable before. Don't make it a harsh B sound. It's a gentle lip closure. They would reply.
천만에요.
In K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bokju's 1E2 at 15:30, Bokju thanks her friends for helping her. I'm sorry. Formal apology for minor mistakes or inconveniences. Use if you bump into someone, are late, or need to interrupt. It's a polite way to show regret.
죄송합니다.
Now you try. Formal.
죄송합니다.
Casual.
미안해요, 미안해요. 오르 미안해, 미안해. 죄송합니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
죄송합니다. 괜찮아요. 다행이다. 달치엔지아이다.
Watch your pronunciation, the jo sound. It's a diphthong that combines j with a w sound, almost like jue. Don't separate them into joe or make it a hard z. They would reply.
괜찮아요.
In K-drama, crash landing on US 1E4 at 8:20, Yoon Se-ri apologizes to Ri Jong-hyuk for a misunderstanding. Now that you've got the greetings down, let's dive into some super practical phrases for navigating everyday situations, whether you're shopping, ordering food, or just trying to understand what's going on around you. How much is this? Use this when pointing to an item in a store, market, or restaurant to ask for its price. Essential for shopping.
이거 얼마예요?
Now you try. Formal.
이거 얼마예요?
Casual.
이거 얼마야? IGO2얼마야? 이거 얼마예요?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is? In conversation.
이거 얼마예요? 15,000원입니다. 15,000원이면 아이다. 네, 살게요. 애니, 사우지요.
Watch your pronunciation, the EOL sound. It's a combination of a short sound followed by an L that almost rolls into the next syllable. Don't pronounce it like all or oil. They would reply.
5,000원입니다.
In Kdrama, Goblin S1E5 at 2310, Ji Eun-tak asks the price of a scarf at a street vendor. Yes/no. The most basic responses. Use for yes or to acknowledge understanding, and for no or to disagree politely.
네, 단위요.
Now you try. Formal.
네, 단위요.
Casual.
응, 용, 아니, ENI. 네, 단위요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is /. In conversation.
커피 마실래요? 키오피 마실라예요. 네. 그럼 가요. 저우리안 가요.
Watch your pronunciation, the any sound. It's a clear ne sound, not like the English ne. For a and io, ensure there is a strong ne sound. They would reply.
알겠습니다.
In Kdrama, Descendants of the Sun S1E1 at 5 o'clock Kong Moyan responds to Yu Si Jin's questions with simple S. Please give me / I'll have. Use this after the name of an item you want to order or receive. For example, Kyopai Ju SEO means please give me coffee.
주세요.
Now you try. Formal.
주세요.
Casual.
줘. 주세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
아메리카노 주세요. 네, 잠시만요. 애니, 잠시만요. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation, the Ju sound. It's a clear Ju sound, like in juice. Don't soften the J too much or make it sound like chew. They would reply.
네, 여기 있습니다.
In Kdrama, crash landing on US 1E7 at 30:15, Seri orders street food with, this, please. Sometimes, communication can be tricky, especially when you're just starting out. These phrases are your lifesavers for when you need to explain yourself, ask for clarification, or simply say you're okay. I can't speak Korean. Use this politely when someone speaks to you in Korean and you need to let them know you don't understand or can't speak the language well.
한국어 못해요?
Now you try. Formal.
한국어 못해요?
Casual.
한국어 못해, 한구지오 MOTHA. 한국어 못해요?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
어디에서 오셨어요? EOD에서 오사요시오요. 죄송합니다. 한국어 못해요. 아, 괜찮아요. 영어 할 줄 아세요? 에이, 괜찮아요. 영이요 할 줄 A세요?
Watch your pronunciation, the MOT sound. The T is unreleased, meaning your tongue touches the roof of your mouth but you don't fully release the T sound. It's a stop, not an explosive T. They would reply,
아, 괜찮아요.
In Kdrama, Itaewon Class S1E10 at 25:00, Tony, a foreigner, struggles with Korean and might say something similar. Please say it again. When you didn't quite catch what someone said, or if they spoke too fast. This is a polite way to ask them to repeat themselves.
다시 말씀해 주세요.
Now you try. Formal,
다시 말씀해 주세요.
casual,
다시 말해줘. 다시 말해줘. 다시 말씀해 주세요.
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
우리 내일 오후 2시에 만날까? 유리 내일 오후 2시 만날까? 죄송합니다. 다시 말씀해 주세요. 내일 2시에. 내일 2시.
Watch your pronunciation, the malseum part. The is a tense, sharp SS sound, almost like a hiss, not a soft S. Practice tensing your tongue for this sound. They would reply,
아, 네.
In Kdrama, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim S1E3 at 1800 hours? Secretary Kim often clarifies things for Lee Young-jun, and someone might ask her to repeat. It's okay / I'm fine. Extremely versatile. Use it to say it's okay, no problem, I'm fine, or even no, thank you when offered something you don't want.
괜찮아요.
Now you try. Formal,
괜찮아요.
casual,
괜찮아, 괜찮아. 괜찮아요.
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
괜찮아요. 네, 괜찮아요. 다행이다.
Watch your pronunciation, the Gwain sound. It's a tricky combination of GW and AIN. Make sure the N sound is clear at the end, almost like Gwen. They would reply,
다행이다.
In Kdrama, Hospital Playlist S1E1 at 1:10, the doctors reassure each other with after a long surgery. Quick quiz, how would you politely say thank you to a cashier at a Korean convenience store? The answer is, 감사합니다. Here's everything you learned today. And there you have it, K-Flash fam. You've officially learned what nobody explains, the difference between Hangul, the beautiful writing system, and Korean, the dynamic language, and you've mastered 9 essential phrases to kickstart your journey. Keep practicing these, and you'll be speaking like your favorite K-drama characters in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging lessons, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. What's your favorite K-drama or K-pop song? Let me know in the comments below.